Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. I got a few gifts from Shari. She asked me after seeing my video on my fire starting kit if I wanted some hand sanitizer and some lighters to go with it for the kit. And I said, sure, thanks. So I got these 3 bottles, and they are 4 fluid ounces, so they're pretty big, and then 4 lighters to go into that fire kit. So the kit will definitely be having to be put into a different container because it's growing. And then she happened to have some sweatpants, and they fit me, so she asked me if I wanted them for this winter, and seeing that I needed pants for the winter, I said yes. And thanks to me losing some weight, these are size smaller than I usually have, so I am very happy about that. So there's just a few little things that I got, and I'm very grateful for them. I'm definitely grateful for the pants because I did need them. They're both gray, but that's fine with me. I'm just very thankful for them. And like I said, she got me some really cool lighters. This one's stereo speakers. This one's kind of like a lizard print or a snake print. And this one just looks kind of like a stained glass almost, maybe. I don't know. It's pretty cool. I like purples, so that one's really cool. I think these all are really cool. All of them. And this one just kind of looks like paint swirls or something. So yeah, these are all it's all very helpful, and I'm very thankful for it all. And I will figure out a way to put some of this in my kit and a few extra lighters. Yeah, and they're all... Oh, I'm not going to be able to click them, it looks like. I'll have to see if there's a child-proof or something on them. Maybe I just don't have enough strength in my hand. And if that's the case, I'll check on a friend of mine and maybe swap these out for the big flip ones. Alright, well, that's just a few little things that I got from Shari, and thank you so much, Shari, for them. I will definitely be putting it all to very good use. Alright, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless you to overflowing, and may He keep each and every one of you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.